What's up, everybody? This is Dave Pereira with the video number part 2 HRV build. On this video, I'm gonna take you what are the parts needed to this build. So I ordered the most of the body parts, and most of them are here, but not all of them. But like you can see, I took some time to look at that guy. Look at that little fella. Maxi. Guess how old is he? The doctor said he's like 10 years old. I found him like 6 months ago maybe. It's a good dog. Anyway. So I already ordered the most of the parts. My body shop guy is kind of busy because he's doing the Cherokee, which was right here. So he's doing that. So till he's doing that, I wanted to order the parts so I don't have to wait till the parts comes. So I just went ahead and remove most of these parts so I can know what are the hidden broken parts are. So obviously the hood, there's no hood. There's a hood, but it's not functional hood. I took the battery off. It's right there. It's my tools box. And what I found out, it's maybe this AC compressor is good. I'm not sure, but there's no AC, so there should be. I couldn't take this everything off because I have to cut it. I don't want to cut it or anything because I already bought the radiator support, but I didn't want to cut it in the wrong place. And when he came to cut it, if I cut it too much or too low or too much, he can't weld the actual radiator support the correct way. So I just let him to do that because I have no experience in bodyworks. I know about cars, but I don't know about bodyworks. So only thing pinched in right here is, if you can see, the alternator, there's a bracket got pinched in, and this switch is broken, so probably gonna buy that. Seems to be these AC lines are fine, but might be right here might be the problem. So probably gonna buy this AC line right here. So I think this is the point that got pinched. So I think the AC condenser might be good, but I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna buy the radiator support because it's all broken right here, and the fan too. That fan might be good. So I already bought a windshield reservoir. Might be this motor mount might be broken, might be good, who knows. It seems to be good. And obviously I had to get the ABS pump right here. For the air filter wise, this whole section was good. The bottom piece was broken. I'm gonna buy that. The battery tray was good. It has a small tab broken, but I think I can fix that easily. Hopefully the computer system box is untouched. That's a miracle, right? It just pushed to it. And always use Milwaukee, the best tools in the planet, except for Snap-on, I guess. But I like Milwaukee. This is my to-go toolboxes. I have a big toolbox over there. When I do a video on my garage, I can do that. And also we have this box. I think it's called the air sensor box, the headlight sensor box. Seems to be it's fine, but it's broken. The housing is broken, so I might buy a new one because I need this car to be perfect. I've probably spent like extra few dollars to make it perfect. I already bought the cowl cover, so you can see it's broken. And right here you can see this whole frame section is gone. I already bought that. And the windshield wiper tubes as well, so probably gonna get that. So that's the good thing about, like, it's right here, boom, it got snatched out. The good thing about when you're removing all this, you know the knick-knack parts you want, and those knick-knack parts will delay your build. So it's better to do like this if you can, because buying parts is the key way to make money. If you buy, sorry, there's the sun right here. If you buy the parts cheaply, you can lower your the cost of material really low, which increase your profit margin. So the whole point of selling cars is to make money. So of course, obviously, we're gonna fix this windshield right here. What's it called? Safelite can glue it off. Just kidding. We're gonna buy a new windshield. So the key thing is to lower your costs. So I have to lower all the costs by buying everything online, because if I buy it in town, I have to go pay the premium price. I don't want to pay the premium price. So the next day, let's go do the video about the parts that we already got. So I'll see you guys next day. Hang on, good people. This is Dave Pereira. This is the part 2 of the HRV build. The 2016 HRV. I was kind of stuttering. I was like, brain fart. So anyway, I got most of the parts. Waiting on the deal items such as the frame sections, what else, the fan shroud, the AC lines, those kind of stuff. So anyway, we got most of the stuff. I would say about 85% of the stuff we got that. Excuse for my garage. I know I've been keep saying I need to clean it, but being so busy, it's like don't have time to do anything. Anyway, the whole place is inspected by Peter Pan, Maxi, and Milo. Hey Milo. So let's go through it. Let's go check it out what we got, right? Alright. So right here is the radiator support. I bought a brand new one. Hopefully this is good. Seems like it. I mean, it's steady, strong material. So got the radiator support. In here is the parts that I removed from the HRV. Some of these are pretty good. Like this one, everything is good except for that. But not to worry, I told you earlier, I'm not gonna do anything half-ass. I will do everything. I will put the right correct parts, good parts, make it, because I'm selling it, the value is like about 21,000 or something. I'm hoping to sell it for 13,000, so knock on the metal, I can able to sell it. So let's go through what we got, okay? This is the part that I showed you, brand new dealer parts. That's the used ABS pump. This is the cowl cover. There's no, I could have bought a brand new one which is like about 450 or something, but I got a used one for 250. And these are the fog lights. See, I like to do stuff with a twist. Normally this LED light does not come. What, Milo? This is Milo. This is my favorite guy. Hey, Mama. What? How are you? Come here. This is the guy who sleeps with me every night. Yeah, he talks too. So anyway, this is the fog light. I bought the LED one. It glows like a ambient yellow. So I want, like, you know, something extra, not the boring ordinary car, like twist them up. And this is the grill. So for the grill, I bought an aftermarket black. So my theme is black and the dark gray. So I bought aftermarket pretty cool gloss black. This is the fender flare, and these two does not come with the car. Now they're best friends. And this is the lower grill, and that's the radiator cover. So it will go on top of the radiator. And all this is the brand new headlights. O2 sensor, brand new one. Putting a brand new air filter. These are for the fog lights, headlights, the hood strut, every little, these are the hood hinges, bumper brackets, and the dipsticks. Most of them are like brand new OEM parts. And this is that small piece that broken off back on the close to the deck lid. Come here, tiger. I'm another cat. Whew, it's getting hot here. I can't open the doors because the gate is open and these guys love to adventure it. So anyway, right now these are the parts we have, and in this box I have the two fenders and the hood. Like you can see, I did not open it because I don't want them to get damaged. So the fenders, the hood, the radiator support, I'm waiting on the radiator. What else? Waiting on the radiator, the frame sections. I told you, like, if I'll show you again, the frame section was damaged, so we're gonna replace the frame section with, of course. It was so funny. Like, I called this salvage yard. I said, like, hey, do you guys have this frame? He's like, yeah, we do have it. Then he's like, I said, like, okay, how much is it? He's like, for that whole side frame section, I'll give you like $550. I was like, wow, I don't need that. I just need that small piece. And he's like, oh, we have to cut the car in half. I said, like, I do not want the front section, the radiator support or anything. I just need the side, this curtain frame. He's like, no, we have to cut the car in half. You basically getting a quarter of the car, blah, blah, blah. Give me 500. We can do that. The most I can do is 350 or 400. But with the shipping and everything, it's going to be like 600. I was like, okay, hey, I'll let you know what else to say, right? So I got the frame sections. I got a pretty good deal. All OEM, brand new from the dealer for like, with the shipping, it's like $180. I was like, perfect. So all these parts are basically close to 80%, I would say, safe. So I'll do another clip like tomorrow, hopefully, because I have to, it's outside right there. I can't open it because see these guys, they're ready to sprint out to the outside. Tomorrow I'm taking it to the shop. So after that, hopefully tomorrow the frame section will come too. So I'll do another clip. Hopefully if there comes another clip tomorrow. So let's see you guys on tomorrow. What's going on, happy people? So today the HRV is being taken to the body shop. So it's Saturday morning. I'm about to leave the town, but you have to get your jobs done before you leave, right? This is my truckie. And that's my Challenger. And that's happening right now. Tow truck. So anyway, that's the tow truck taking my car to the body shop. I'll see you guys on the next one. The HRV is going to the shop. hopefully he gonna charge me really low to fix that. It has some hail damages. I hope he'll give me a good deal. All right. Well. Finally, I got the parts from the dealer. Let's go check it out. Was waiting for these parts for a while, but they were really fast. They came from, I think, Texas. I can't remember where. Probably Dallas or close to there. So anyway, these are the final parts for the HRV build. So let's go check it out. All right, what do we have here? Fresh meat. All genuine Honda. This is the heat shield. That's the engine. It was kind of smashed in. I bought it, so you know, it looks good. This is the windshield tube. Just a regular damn tube, man. Cost like $11, but whatever. This is the most important part. This is the frame section. This go to the inner side, which everybody can see. That's why I mainly bought this. And this goes outside. I shouldn't have bought this. I mean, it is pretty good, but because this is the one which is kind of smashed really badly. This is okay, but I went and bought it because this goes right like that. So this piece go to the strut tower. I think that's how it get welded. And it's old original pieces. And this is the radiator. Everything was good except for this piece got broken off. So I bought that. And this is the lower air box. This might be the wrong one because mine, it's a clear one, but this came like black. Maybe it's a remanufactured piece. Hopefully it's the right one. And that's the fan strout. Look at that. All genuine Honda parts. So I want to show you like a quick video about these parts. These are the final parts, and my guy just called me, said like, hey, he need the AC condenser because I thought it was good, but there's a tiny little leak, like a damage. But you know, best to replace it rather than, you know, fix it or anything. We don't do that. So anyway, think this is all the parts we need. Hopefully this is the part 2 of the HRV build. So hopefully, I think this is it. So I'll see you guys the next time with the complete build. If not, I'll do another part video. So most likely, I'm pretty sure this is 99%, I'm sure this is the last bit of the HRV part 2, which is the part introduction. So I'll see you guys on the part 3, the final completion of the HRV. This is Dave Pereira signing out.